In this video, we show how to replace riser 2 in a PowerEdge R670. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the OCP out of riser 2, lift the blue retention latch, and then you should be able to slide the OCP card out of the riser. To install it, align it with the slot on the riser, pushing it all the way back until it's fully seated, then push down on the blue retention latch to lock it. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R670, visit dell.com/support.